Hey creative people, I'm your host Dr. Neha Shah from the School of Fashion Design and Technology, Lovely Professional University. I welcome you all to the world of eco-printing, a beautiful nature-led process where flowers, leaves and fabric, they will all come together to create beautiful living textures. It's slow, it's sustainable, it's surprising, and honestly, it's exactly what the fashion industry needs right now. Here I'm gonna tell you the entire process. Let me show you how the magic happens, and yes, we are keeping it simple. Step 1. Collect all the necessary flowers like bougainvillea, hibiscus, leaves which are rich in natural pigments. You can go through some trial and error methods because it will help you understand the natural materials in the best way possible. And of course, that's the fun part in eco-printing. Once you are experienced, you can play with them and you can spot the right material at a glance. Step 2. You have to lay the collected leaves and flowers onto the fabric. I'm using the rose petals which are rich in natural pigments. You can lay them as per your desired pattern. Let me share a pro tip over here. You can treat the fabric with mordants. You can pre-soak your fabric in that solution before using it. This treatment with alum will help in the transfer of color onto the fabric, and you will get brighter and long-lasting colors with the natural materials. Step 3. Now you have to roll it up tightly from one end. I'm gonna layer it like this. You may insert a layer of plastic sheet or a wooden dowel or a plastic hose like the one I'm using right now. And bind it tightly with a twine or a thread. Remember, tighter sample will result in clearer print. Now the final step is to boil or steam this sample. Since we are doing it indoors today, let me take you straight to the magic. Ta-da! These are the samples prepared using the same method. The one you see is made with rose petals. This one is made using hibiscus flower. Again, another one with rose petals, and the final one. This is done on a silk fabric, so you can see the feel and the look of the sample is entirely different. Now, you know what's the best part? In the entire process of eco-printing, we didn't use any harsh chemicals, we didn't produce any waste. It's just pure creativity, your craft and the nature. With eco-printing, you don't just create, you learn, you collaborate, and you leave a mark that's gentle on earth. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and let nature be your co-artist. And if this kinds of meaningful work excites you, then please do meet us at LPU. Because at Lovely Professional University, you will get the right resources, the right platform, and the right mentorship to convert your creativity into meaningful and impactful realities. As we say, after all, if you think big, you create big. Thank you so much.